So here we are in Tappan, New York at the oldest tavern in America, the 76 House. Think about that. George Washington actually hung out here. They still serve his beer. They hung a traitor in this building. But I'm not the guy to tell you this story. Take it from the man himself, Robert Norden, tavern keeper and owner.
Hi, welcome to the old 76 House. My name is Rob Norden. I've been a tavern keeper here for over 35 years. So much history happened in this very room that we're standing in. Our first Declaration of Independence, which is known as the Resolutions of Orangetown, was signed here on July 4th of 1774. And of course, on May 3rd, 1783, Sir Guy Carleton met with Washington in this very space and received the plans of the British evacuation and the recognition by the English that America was actually free and independent. Since that time, we've made a lot of history. Most of that is made with our great cuisine and our continued presence at one of America's foremost restaurants. We are the oldest tavern in America. This room is over 400 years old.
You heard that right, 400 years old. I actually got chills filming here. I was so honored. Now for the food, you have to start with the French onion soup and alligator bites, two big winners. For the main course, they wheeled out the double-cut Berkshire pork chop, grilled and served on the bone, with Hudson Valley apple brandy glaze and whipped sweet potatoes. It was to die for. Then we tried the jumbo diver scallops. They were incredible. This was my favorite dish at the 76 House.
What we're doing here is drawing a pint of ale that is from Casparis's Maybe's recipe that he gave to Washington. Casparis Maybe was the original tavern keeper here at the tavern. Washington loved this ale so much, he took the recipe to Mount Vernon where he produced it himself, which is why the recipe still exists. And this is an uncarbonated real beer, which is actually made for the 76 House in Toms River using the local ingredients and the recipe, again, as I mentioned, from Washington and our original tavern keeper.
Thanks, Rob and the team over at the 76 House.